Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at 2018 Hyundai Elantra GLS. This is a 5-passenger 4-door sedan in blue. Under the hood you'll find a 2-liter 4-cylinder riding on top of 15-inch wheels. Some of your exterior features include this sporty front end with these little vents on the side. This beautiful blue pearl that really pops in the sun. And not to mention, we do have that automatic trunk button, which you just hold on your key fob, and that trunk will open right up for you. But now why don't we hop inside this Elantra and see what else it has to offer. Helping us inside is our key fob right here. It's got our lock and unlock button, as well as our trunk release button, which we'll get to in just a moment. Press the unlock button once for the driver's side. We're going to take a look in the front first. On the bottom, you have some nice storage. Above that, you have your power windows, locks, mirrors. Here you have your black cloth seating and your manual seat adjusters right below that. So now why don't we hop inside, start the vehicle up. Here we go. So I'm going to take a look on the left side of the steering wheel first. Here you have your volume options, and these arrows are here which will help you navigate through your display right in the center there. You also have your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system, which is nice. And if you have this, if you press this mode button, that'll cycle through what you got going on there. On the right side, you have your trip button, which allows you to navigate to your multi-information display. And just to show that this Elantra does only have 39,886 kilometers on it. If we go ahead and look at our screen here now, right now we're on radio. You have your standard AM and FM options, of course. If you go ahead and press phone, you can connect your Bluetooth device. Below that you have your volume options. Now let's move on to our climate control setting. Got these nice sturdy dials. Temperature, intensity, and all your functions right here. You have your rear windshield defroster as well. Beneath that you have a 12-volt outlet, USB port, and auxiliary, as well as a nice little storage space there. Next to the shifter you have your passenger and driver heated seats, and this drive mode button right here that activates eco mode, and if we press that again, that'll go into sport mode. Behind the shifter you have your 2 cup holders. Nice and simple center console with lots of room in there. And lastly, in the glove box you do have your owner's manual, and there's also plenty of space in there in case you need to free up some extra space in the cabin. So now let's just close that right up. So before we take a look in the cargo, let's take a quick look in the back first. On the bottom of the door you have some storage just like the driver's side. On the passenger front seat you do have a little storage compartment. More black cloth seating, and in the center here you do have 2 cup holders. So to go inside, all you got to do is hold this button on your key fob and that trunk will open on its own for you. Let's open that right up and take a look. Lots of room in here for all your essentials. Have the folding seats that do go down in case you need that extra bit of room. And lastly, right underneath here we got this nice little spare tire and all the tools in case one of the tires ever goes. So now let's just close this right up. Taking a last look at our Hyundai Elantra. Once again, some of your great interior features include your Eco and Sport drive modes, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, and hands-free calling. But there's a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk-around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.